Disclaimer, this is a promotional video. It's a collab between GoldieBlox and Random House, so stay tuned.
What's up, hackers? It's GoldieBlox, and guys, today's video is all about daylight saving hacks. Personally, I'm not a fan of daylight savings because you lose an hour of the day. Think about all the things you could do in an hour. Like reading my new book, Everyday DIY. It's full of hacks and tips on how to make them extra. Plus, it's full of STEM facts about the hacks, and you know your girl loves to drop some knowledge on some science. Go check out the link down below to get your very own copy of Everyday DIY, 20+ projects for maker girls. But now, it's time to hack your world. Okay, and for our first hack, we have a liquid hourglass. So I have made hourglasses on the channel before, but none of them have been this sciencey. This one's definitely like the queen of the science of hourglasses. So basically, this is water that I dyed purple, and this is oil. Oil is less dense than water. Water and oil do not mix, they don't like each other. So when you flip it over, the water comes out in little beads because these two little straws are different lengths. So the water displaces the oil and the oil gets pushed to the top. You'll see what I mean. Liquid hourglass. Let's hack it. For this DIY, you'll need clear plastic bottles, drinking straws, a drill, duct tape, baby oil, food coloring, a stir stick, a funnel, and hot glue. First, use the hot glue to stick the two bottle caps together. Drill 2 holes in the cap. And slide 2 straws through the middle. Reinforce the caps with the duct tape. Next, fill one bottle with baby oil and the other with water. Add food coloring to the water so it sticks out from the baby oil. Screw the caps onto one bottle, then very carefully screw it on the other. Reinforce with duct tape again if necessary. Flip it over and you're done! Notice, oil, top, water, bottom. Little beads of water and oil. It kind of looks like grains of sand or like boba, like floating and falling. So it's actually super satisfying to watch and calming. Moving on. And for the next hack, we have a friendship watch. So this is like half watch, half friendship bracelet, because you just take a cheap watch, then you just weave your own strap. And it's like super easy, they're super cute, you customize them however you want. So yeah, a friendship watch. Let's hack it. For this DIY, you'll need a watch face with posts, craft thread, crimp ends, and jump rings. First, remove the straps from your watch face. Next, loop the thread through the watch post and braid away. Pro tip, tape the watch face down to your building surface to make it easier to braid. Finally, secure the ends with the jump rings and bracelet closers. These are BFF ready. So the trick with this is like, you both make your watches, right? And then daylight savings comes around and you both like hold each other accountable. Like the next day at school, they're like, yo, did you change your watch? They're like, no. Then they're like, hey, you can use mine to like switched up. I don't know. Because I always forget, and if my friend didn't like tell me, then I wouldn't know. Or if there wasn't a Snapchat filter that said daylight savings is tomorrow, I wouldn't remember. That's it for today's video. I hope you guys like don't die because you lose an hour of sleep, because I know I die every single year. I hope these hacks help you with your daylight saving transition. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe for more DIYs every single Friday. Till next time. Okay, I can make the same pun twice in my video. Hackers, GoldieBlox signing off.
I still can't believe I'm in a book. Check out the link in the description to get your copy. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss a hack.